What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Brian Young here. And today we're going to be talking about something truly remarkable happening within the Pi network. Today, we're diving into a historic moment, a testament to the power of community and shared vision. This involves the Pi network's Greater China community, a force to be reckoned with in the crypto space. This isn't just about crypto or the intricacies of blockchain technology. It's about a movement, a groundswell of collective action that's reshaping the landscape of decentralized finance. The Chinese pioneers have united, demonstrating an unparalleled level of solidarity and commitment. They've come together to protect and strengthen the Pi ecosystem, ensuring its long-term viability and success. And in doing so, they're sending a powerful message worldwide, a beacon of hope for decentralized communities everywhere. They're not waiting for Pi's future. They aren't sitting on the sidelines hoping for the best. They're building it now, brick by brick, with unwavering dedication and a clear vision. For years, millions in China have mined Pi, contributing to the network's growth and security. But they didn't just wait passively for the network to develop, they took proactive steps to shape its destiny. They organized, educated themselves and others, and built a powerful community, a force to be reckoned with. Their recent buyback initiative, a bold and innovative move, is the ultimate expression of unity, a shining example of what a decentralized community can achieve when it works together. It shows a level of coordination rarely seen in decentralized projects, a testament to their organizational prowess. They faced down speculators together, standing strong against those who sought to undermine the network's value. This is proving the strength of their shared purpose, their unwavering belief in the Pi network's potential. This is the kind of story that excites me about crypto's future, the potential for decentralized communities to shape the world. We're talking about millions, a massive network of individuals connected by a common goal. Students, workers, parents, entrepreneurs, people from all walks of life united by their belief in Pi, all believing in Pi's vision, its potential to create a more inclusive and accessible financial system. They know Pi needs stability, a solid foundation upon which to build its future. Not wild price swings or manipulation, which can undermine trust and discourage long-term participation. So the Chinese community created that stability themselves, taking matters into their own hands to ensure the network's health. Pooling resources and energy for the network's long-term health, demonstrating a commitment that goes beyond short-term gains. This is more than a financial move. It transcends the realm of mere monetary transactions. It's a statement of faith, a declaration of belief in the power of community and decentralized technology. The value of Pi isn't set by speculators, those who seek to profit from short-term volatility. It is set by the community that uses and believes in it, the individuals who are building the network from the ground up. The Chinese pioneers are showing through their actions and dedication that the real power of crypto lies in its people, in the collective strength of a united community. Their collective action is a reminder, a powerful testament to the potential of decentralized movements. That community is the most valuable asset in the decentralized world, the foundation upon which all successful projects are built. What they've started isn't just local, it's not confined to the borders of China. It's a blueprint for communities everywhere, a model for how to build a strong and resilient decentralized network. This is a story you need to hear. A narrative that highlights the true potential of cryptocurrency and decentralized technology. Let's see how they did it. Let's delve into the strategies and tactics that enabled them to achieve such remarkable success. The world is watching, eager to learn from their example and replicate their success. And the Pi community is just getting started with even greater achievements on the horizon. Let's talk numbers. This was no small effort. The buyback campaign swept across Greater China, aiming to acquire Pi at the Community-Agreed Global Consensus Value, or GCV. Provinces like Fujian and Zhejiang became major hubs, with millions of dollars in transactions. Thousands contributed from all walks of life. Each province had its own network of leaders and volunteers using platforms like WeChat to coordinate and report progress. The campaign wasn't just about buying Pi, it was about educating the community on why this mattered. The result? A significant volume of Pi was taken off the speculative market. This action set a new standard for community-led ecosystem protection. The Chinese Pi community proved they won't let short-term sentiment dictate their future. So, what is GCV? It stands for Global Consensus Value, a core principle for the Pi community. Instead of letting markets decide, The community agrees on a value, $314,159 per Pi, a nod to the mathematical constant. This isn't just a price, it's a social contract. By transacting at this value, pioneers create a self-sustaining economy. The GCV model flips the usual crypto script. Value comes from community, not speculation. It encourages building real businesses and services within the Pi ecosystem. The buyback was the ultimate defense of this principle, reinforcing the social contract. By buying coins at GCV, the community protected their shared vision. This is how a community enforces its own economic rules. It's a powerful, self-governed ecosystem in action. How did they do it? Through grassroots organization and trust. Respected leaders in each province announced the buyback, explaining its purpose: consolidate Pi, protect GCV, and remove cheap coins before open mainnet. Trusted intermediaries collected funds and managed transactions, all recorded and shared for transparency. Pioneers could sell Pi at GCV, not to speculators. Updates and transaction proofs were posted in WeChat groups, building trust and momentum. Purchased Pi was held in multi-signature wallets controlled by several leaders for security. The consolidated coins are earmarked for ecosystem development, funding apps, supporting merchants, and sponsoring events. Every step was designed to serve the community's collective interest. This was decentralized finance done right. Movements like this, especially those aiming for global impact, need dedicated leaders to guide the way. Mr. Wu, a visionary educator with a passion for empowering the next generation, and Miss Doris, an organizational powerhouse known for her strategic thinking and meticulous planning, were key drivers behind the project's success in China. Mr. Wu's unwavering belief in Pi's potential to revolutionize digital interactions, and the GCV's ability to foster a thriving ecosystem, inspired thousands to join the movement and contribute their unique skills and perspectives. Miss Doris skillfully coordinated efforts across various provinces, ensuring seamless communication and collaboration, building trust among community members and ensuring transparency in all operations. These leaders weren't motivated by personal gain or recognition. They felt a deep sense of responsibility to the community and a genuine desire to secure Pi's future for generations to come. They invested countless hours of their time, often working late into the night, and put their reputations on the line to champion the project, and turned a seemingly impossible vision into tangible action. Their strategic leadership translated the abstract idea of GCV into a concrete, actionable plan with clear milestones and measurable outcomes. They empowered thousands of individuals to actively participate in the network and collectively shape Pi's destiny, ensuring it aligns with the needs and aspirations of its users. Inspired by the vision and dedication of Pi's founders, they see themselves as custodians of the vision, safeguarding its integrity and ensuring its long-term sustainability. Their exemplary leadership is a model for decentralized leadership everywhere, demonstrating how a community can thrive when empowered by dedicated individuals. They held the movement together through challenging times, offering clarity of purpose, unwavering encouragement to the community, and a steadfast commitment to the cause. Thanks to their tireless efforts and unwavering dedication, the Pi ecosystem in China is stronger and more vibrant than ever before. Their story serves as an inspiration for communities worldwide, proving that with strong leadership and a shared vision, anything is possible. The GCV buyback fundamentally strengthens the Pi network. By removing coins from short-term sellers, the community creates stability, crucial for building real-world utility. Merchants and developers now have confidence to build on Pi, knowing its value is protected. This stability encourages a vibrant internal economy, where Pi is used for real goods and services. The buyback enhances Pi's legitimacy globally, showing it's more than a speculative project. It attracts serious developers and partners, seeing a network defended by its users. The Community Fund of Consolidated Pi Coins is a strategic asset for growth. These coins will fund development, marketing, and merchant support. It's a self-funding mechanism, ensuring the network evolves and thrives. The buyback is a massive vote of confidence backed by real action. The buyback directly challenges the very foundation of crypto's culture of speculation, a culture often fueled by hype and the promise of overnight riches. This initiative aims to steer the project away from the pitfalls of speculative trading, which can often lead to instability and disillusionment. Too many projects fail because traders chase quick profits, prioritizing short-term gains over the long-term health and sustainability of the ecosystem. This, in turn, causes volatility, and scaring off real users who are looking for a reliable and functional digital currency. The Chinese Pi community, recognizing this inherent risk, took action to counter this, demonstrating a proactive approach to safeguarding the network's stability. They began absorbing coins that might have been dumped, preventing large sell-offs from destabilizing the market. They did this at low prices, strategically acquiring coins when they were undervalued. This reduces volatility, creating a more predictable market environment, and creates a stable environment for adoption, encouraging wider participation and usage of Pi. Now, Pi's value can be driven by utility, by its real-world applications and the services it enables. It will be driven not by panic selling or speculative bubbles. Developers and entrepreneurs, the builders of the Pi ecosystem, can build with confidence, knowing they are building on a solid foundation. They can be secure in knowing the currency is stable and less prone to wild fluctuations. The buyback isn't just defense. It's not merely a reactive measure to protect against market downturns. It's an offensive move, a strategic initiative to shape the future of Pi. It's designed to spark innovation and foster a more sustainable ecosystem. The focus shifts from, "What's Pi's price?" a question driven by speculation, to "What can I do with Pi?" a question that unlocks the true potential of the currency. The Chinese community is leading the way, setting an example for others to follow. They are prioritizing utility over speculation, demonstrating a commitment to the long-term vision of Pi. They're laying the groundwork, building a strong and resilient foundation for Pi to become, not just another cryptocurrency, but a truly global, inclusive, and interconnected accessible currency, empowering individuals around the world. The Chinese GCV buyback is inspiring pioneers worldwide. Communities in Vietnam, Nigeria, Indonesia, and beyond are watching and learning. China's actions have sparked similar initiatives, creating a global movement. The event is a blueprint for organizing, fundraising, and executing community-led projects. Other regions are adapting these strategies, strengthening the global Pi network. The ripple effect is turning isolated believers into a coordinated force. The buyback has boosted morale and reaffirmed belief in Pi's future. It's shifted the narrative from waiting to building. The challenge is out. What will you do to build Pi's value? The GCV buyback could ignite a global wave of community-driven innovation. The Greater China GCV buyback marks a new chapter for Pi Network. It proves the community is Pi's greatest asset. The unity and action of Chinese pioneers set a new standard for decentralized achievement. This movement shows that long-term success comes from community strength, not just technology or funding. The GCV buyback is a catalyst, empowering pioneers to build, innovate, and educate. The future of Pi is one where the community co-creates the network's value. This event is a landmark in crypto history, a story of vision, unity, and empowerment. The journey is just beginning, but with a community this strong, Pi's future is bright. The power is in the people's hands. Thanks for tuning in.